Hi, my name is Marilise and I'm the head of learning here at Watobi. I'm going to be doing the trigonometry workshop with you in preparation for your final exams that are coming up in November. Trigonometry is a huge part of paper 2. It makes up about a third of the marks, and we won't be covering everything, but we are going to look at the most important aspects of trigonometry, which include reductions, reduction formula, compound and double angles, solving problems without a calculator by using a sketch, identities, and equations. We're going to work through each section in quite a bit of detail, making sure that you understand all the fundamentals of each section and the different types of questions that can be asked before we make our way through to tackling some past exam questions and making sure that you are well prepared for this part of paper 2. It is going to be a busy morning and I look forward to seeing you there.